So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and basically fix your iPhone if for some reason there's missing photos inside of your Photos application. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to understand that if you recently went through and if you're looking for photos but they're missing here, you have to understand where they might be. So sometimes your photos might not be inside of this page, inside of your standard library. You might have to swipe down and you might have to, see them either in these other categories. So they might be in a pinned collection, they might be under memories, or they might be under here. Sometimes you might just have to see them this way. It's kind of annoying, but that's really the only main way to go and kind of do it. So try doing that. You might also want to make sure that your photos aren't inside of some sort of hidden folder either. So if you scroll down, there's a hidden folder right down here that are basically going to hide the photos from that top panel. So click on hidden photos right here, and you'll be able to find your hidden photos, and that can be another thing that might end up fixing the problem for you as well if you can find them here. You can also check recently deleted as well. So how about here? You might want to check that the photos or videos weren't recently deleted. That's another thing that might end up sometimes happening. So try going through, seeing if they're under recently deleted, and if they are, you might just have to wait or recover them in this particular situation. If they're not there either, the other thing I would probably recommend doing is seeing if those photos are backed up via iCloud or anything like that. You might want to go inside of your iPhone settings, go ahead and make your way over to the top portion right up here, and find your iCloud option, click on it, and just see if iCloud photos are enabled. You can recover your iCloud photos this way, and you might want to check some other applications like Google Photos and whatnot to see if those are there. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.